A fresh PIL has now been filed in the Delhi High Court seeking removal of Arvind Kejriwal, who has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the liquor policy case from the post of Delhi CM. The plea has been moved by Vishnu Gupta, who is a social worker and national president of the Hindu Sena. The court had earlier observed that there is no scope of judicial interference in this matter, and it is for the others to examine the issue. These, of course, are the big updates we are tracking for you. Clearly, further action being sought against Arvind Kejriwal now. Another PIL being filed in the Delhi High Court seeking removal of Arvind Kejriwal from the CM's post. Shubh Rana is joining us for more details on this story. Shubh, another PIL now being moved seeking Arvind Kejriwal's removal. Shubh, can you hear me? I think we're having trouble there with her connection, but these, of course, are the big details we're tracking for you. Another PIL being moved in the Delhi High Court. Remember this, despite the court saying earlier that they do not want to intervene in this matter. KV Dhananjay, Supreme Court lawyer, joins us on the broadcast. Mr. Dhananjay, what do you make of this fresh PIL?
Well, two things. There have been PILs of this sort even previously, so there is nothing unique about it. There have been cases from Tamil Nadu where once Madam Jayalalitha, when she got into trouble on the criminal side, there were many PILs that in fact had sought various reliefs in terms of not even swearing her in as a chief minister, and after having swearing her in, then to, deprive her of that post. So these PILs basically, I think, seem to show that concern or anxiety on the part of the public that a chief minister is one who simply just can't operate as a chief minister from inside a jail premises. Having said that, the difficulty, however, might be that the High Court cannot really intervene at this stage unless and until what if the High Court actually were to ask these people that if Mr. Kejriwal were to obtain bail next week, which anyway cannot be ruled out, or which in fact cannot be stated with certainty, what happens then? Would it not be against the constitutional?
Yes, and because the court has already observed that there is no scope of judicial interference in this matter in a similar PIL.
That may not be the correct position of law, because there has been judicial interference in the past. May not be from the Delhi High Court, but from the Honorable Supreme Court. So interference certainly would be warranted, maybe when facts in fact evolve to a greater extent. But as things stand, perhaps the court might interfere to some extent and ask the ED as to what kind of access would be given to Mr. Kejriwal while he is behind bars. Should the ED say that he would be treated like any other person that is incarcerated, and he would not you would not be allowed access to.
Right.
So that's when the court might say that, well, you see, it's. I think based on the evolving situation, the court might have to interfere. But I think that's the way to look at it.
KV Dhananjay, thank you for joining us with your perspective on that story.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.